Witness from Department of State Services (DSS) on Friday tell Federal High Court for Abuja say dem no recover any weapon wey relate to terrorism or violence from Nnamdi Kanu when dem arrest am for Lagos on October 15, 2015. The DSS operative wey testify under the code name PWAAA still confirm say dem no see any gun or something wey fit cause wahala with the woman wey dem arrest together with Kanu. As Kanu lawyer wey be Chief Kanu Agabi SAN dey cross-examine am for front of Justice James Omotosho, the witness tok say all the things wey dem carry from the hotel room where dem arrest Kanu na personal things. E still tok say even though the items no look dangerous, e fit be say dem plan to use am for illegal something. The witness yarn say im work na just to arrest Kanu and collect im statement, so e no check the things wey dem recover. E add say dem check Kanu phone, but the report no dey important reach to bring come court. The witness also gree say after almost 10 years, the things wey dem seize fit don spoil or no make sense again. E also gree say when dem collect Kanu statement, lawyer no dey with am and say dem no bring any other person come face Kanu for any terrorism matter. Justice Omotosho don adjourn the case go May 6th, 7th and 8th to continue the cross-examination as lawyers agree.
We started our cross-examination today and for hours and I guess we have made progress. We're getting there. The matter is set down for Tuesday for continuation of cross-examination and of course for you other witnesses to we believe, like we said the last week, we're making progress. Israel is going on in a very congenial atmosphere and we believe that we will get there.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyefemi Onosimo, TMC News.